Morning, morning, guys. Hola, happy Tuesday. How's everyone doing here? Banks are closed today. Hopefully, we have enough volume today to trade, and we can have a good move today. Happy Veterans Day. Morning. Yeah, happy vets. Morning, guys. Hola. Anyone on the Futures Voice channel? Hello? No? No one? Morning. Nvidia pulling back to 195, the important level that I'll be watching today. 195, 194. Good morning. Yeah, I do like Nvidia under 195, 194. Yep, I do like Nvidia for a short. In fact, I tried to short Nvidia yesterday and I got burned. Um, I'm watching that gap below on Nvidia. And what else? Oh yeah, I'm working on the videos for the Futures Challenge for December. I'm doing a video for why, like it's gonna be a few videos. One is gonna be about Apex rules. Another one is gonna be about TPT rules. And I'm thinking on doing one explaining why I'm using props. I'm using props to trade instead of using my own money. And obviously, I'm gonna explain how the challenge is gonna be, what I'm planning to do on the challenge. It's gonna be I will say the last 30 days of the year, but you can definitely use it for 2026. Oh, thank you. Nvidia sleeping already. The weather is amazing here in Miami. Okay, the market is open. Good luck, everyone. Tin, tin, tin. Tin, tin, tin. I'll be trading today with 5 funded TPT accounts and 3 evals. I like trading evals even if I have funded accounts because with TPT you gotta trade for 5 days to pass the eval. So I'm just like passing evals and then have it there. Just trade them 5 days, pass them, and then have it on the back end just in case if I blow up a funded account. I'm gonna watch this 660 level on NQ. Let's see how it's gonna react there. And 635 on ES. That is a strong support. That was yesterday high during New York session. And then the big resistance that I'm watching for ES is A65. A65, A67. Apple is still going, but it cannot break that big range that it's been trading for the past 10 days. Needs to break 274 and use it as support. Any charts that you guys like for today? Open. I think PayPal is looking amazing if you want to trade something, but I will buy it. I will buy shares. Well, I did bought PayPal shares. The same. It's gonna be the same game plan that I had with PayPal last month. Pretty much 66, 65 level that we want to see holding on PayPal. I think it's a very easy trade if you buy shares. Yeah, that's good. Surfx, yeah. Just one good consistent trade every single day with Apex or any funded. I will say with any funded account. We want to be slow but steady, building up our accounts. And then when you have a bigger buffer, you can go a little bit heavier, or maybe not heavier, but maybe hold your runners for a little bit longer and see if we can have bigger return with less risk. Oh, thank you. Lyft. Yeah, Lyft has a gap above, but I have an alert on Lyft and I haven't. Oh, what happened with my alert? Okay. I don't know why I didn't got a alert on Lyft when it broke 23, but yeah, Lyft looks pretty good. If pulled back to 23 and holds 22.90, 23, could be a nice entry to play the gap above. Yes. Nvidia acting weak. Let's see if it's gonna lose 194. If Nvidia does a break and retest to the downside on 194, that's what I'm looking to trade with options. We still have nothing when it comes to ES and NQ. Do we have any data today at 9:45 or 10? Let's see. Economic data. We have one Fed speaking at 10:25. I don't know if that's gonna affect a little bit the markets. Okay, we have NQ trying to hold. Same thing with ES. Apple going. Amazon looks like it wants to go to. Nvidia, nice VWAP reaction. I like this Tesla 440 volt also, plus the VWAP. But yeah, so far we don't have any trend here on ES and NQ. Yeah, RTY pretty weak, yes. Hola, anyone here on voice? On the futures challenge? I don't hear anyone. Okay, can you guys hear me?
Sí.
Okay. Happy Vets Day. Where is Amp?
No.
I'm here.
Oh.
Good morning.
So far, nothing, right? We have no trend so far.
No. I mean, the only thing keeping the market up is Apple. Look
Yeah.
at it.
Apple is it's been a mess. Super weird how it's
Yeah.
moving. It's been a big range for like, I don't know, 2 weeks, 10 days.
Everything else is just like Nvidia's tanking. So
I was expecting Nvidia to go lower to do this yesterday. I was not expecting Nvidia to go to 200 yesterday. I'm waiting for Nvidia to fill the gap below. It has a gap below.
I'm back in
Any?
short on gold on
Yeah, go ahead.
the rejection of the B1. Alright, I am back in short on gold, rejection of B1, which is 38. The level that I'm looking is 44.
Ooh, I like
I'm
that
aiming
150
to
reaction.
20, 20, yeah, 24. That will be the target. But I will be trimming in the middle.
Okay, I like gold. If it loses 120, I like it a lot.
Yeah, I've been playing with the 4 hour zone that was the rejection point 2 weeks ago,
Mm-hmm.
44 to 70. We balanced out all night on that zone, so we couldn't get above.
Yeah, on the 122, if I look at the 4 hours on under 122, 124, I like it for a lot more downside.
Yeah, the 30 minutes to structure in that area is nice.
Well, even if it goes there and hold, that could be a nice pullback long.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Nvidia going lower, Apple going higher. I guess that's why we have no trend so far here on ES and NQ.
Agreed.
So, is there any futures prop firm that allows swing trades? Someone is asking on the chat. I don't think so, right?
No.
I don't think so.
Just elite trader funding, which
Mm,
I don't recommend using.
okay.
Oh,
And
wow,
that's
they
it.
do.
That's all I know of.
Well, you can technically swing. You just wait for what is the time? 5:30? When you can trade again with props? 5:30, 5. So you can play the overnight move until the next day.
If 30 holes again, I'm gonna exit the trade.
Yeah, today just doesn't really feel like a true gap down day. So we gap down, but we're trading inside of yesterday's range. So it looks like we're approaching overnight low. I have a limit buy at 70. Wait, do I? Let me see what I have at.
You are on a short, right,
I have.
Sasha?
Yes,
Yeah.
I am, and I'm out. 24
Yeah.
just hit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was a nice short and nice exit. Yes. Yeah, 124,
All right, I have a limit
120 is
buy
an
at.
important support level on gold.
Yeah.
I'm long at 71, and I have another limit buy at 60.
We're going lower. That's Nvidia. Nvidia lost 194 and it has a gap below.
All right, my average long is 66. I'm looking at 566, and I'm looking for around 605.
Nice bounce there on NQ.
Oh, Fund Futures just released the daily payout.
My funded futures?
It's going to be 127.
127 for the account.
Yes.
Hmm.
Let me forward the thing that I just read.
Who did?
Fund Futures.
Yeah, Nvidia dead.
Really good overnight low hold, but we're not really bouncing as quick as I would like.
I like this ES hold. NQ is a little bit weaker. It's Nvidia. Nvidia's pretty weak. Yeah, look at that.
SMH is weak too.
Look at that bounce on ES.
30 hold, 35 hold is nice.
That
Yep.
bounced because of Apple.
Apple, if really hold 274, it's gonna go crazy.
Yeah.
But looks like the consolidation, the 11-week consolidation of 200 a few months back,
Mm-hmm.
it looks like the same. It looks like that.
Yeah, the
I got
bigger the
break even on this
consolidation, the
trade.
bigger the move it's gonna come.
I got out break even on my 66 average trade. I just don't like how we're not bouncing as quick. I'll watch it work as soon as I got out break even.
See that?
Oh my god. Damn it, dude. What was my target? I said like 605 and yeah, there we go. Damn it. I just wasn't patient enough.
What a bounce.
Did anybody else take that trade at all?
No, I didn't.
Yep. I took its pre-market low sweep. It's nice.
And Q don't like me.
That would have got my XFAs right there.
Chase now. Forget about it. Damn.
What a move. Okay.
So that was, I mean, such a right idea. I don't know why I was impatient, and but that was a perfect sort of setup for overnight low sweep, and then yesterday's value area low, right? We kind of just opened in the middle of yesterday's range, traded down to the lower end of value, and basically a reversion trade. My ultimate target, I think we can make it up to the daily open, which is around 722. So maybe I'll try to find a re-entry somewhere.
I need coffee. I'll be back.
Was that an exactly 50% touch though of this range? Doesn't look like it. Looks like we were just shy.
Yes. Yeah. What are you gonna do here, ES? What are you gonna do?
Daniel, where GC is right now, it's better to wait unless you want to scalp shorts. I would not go long where it is right now.
Sasha, you see all those orders at 20 and 22?
Yeah, that's why I was starting 24.
Yeah.
I want a test from 20 to 41 to see if I set up for longs come. But again,
Yeah.
44 is a wall that I don't want to play with.
Okay.
Freaking fix is flat. It's crazy. What an ES trap.
Yep. Because Nvidia is still weak, and Apple could not break
Yeah.
274.
Daniel, yes, it did. However, if you go to the 4 hour chart, that's a whole zone between 44 to 70 that I will not go long unless it reclaims 70. Because then you
Yike.
open the door for GC to go up to 42K to 4250. However, right now, everything's saying that we're going down.
Oof.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Daniel, sorry. Quick tip, when you're looking for a reversal in GC, you wait for the higher time frame to tell you the reversal is coming. Otherwise, you are fighting the market, and gold is not the market you want to fight with.
Too late for GC short? Of course. This is the bottom for today. Well, so far, like you're going short on the lowest of the day. Why you wanna short something that it's been down so much already? If you wanna go short, you gotta go for the top, not the bottom. You can definitely keep going. I think if it reacts 120, it's still a short. But right now it's right at support. 124, 120 is support on gold.
Damn, look at this bounce on ES. Jeez.
Yeah, okay, I got a
It
good
is
winner
ugly
right there. I
price
took the
action.
560 reclaim. Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's nasty. It's trapping both sides today.
I'm just focusing on, like, I think, yeah, it was kind of a nasty trap, but I really liked how we reclaimed 60 right there.
Nice
Took that for a
bounce
quick,
on
like,
gold
momentum scalp.
of 124.
Yeah. Small orders at 22.
Yeah, I'm looking 124, 120.
I think the only way I could see NQ being bearish is if we fail 560 and basically back test it and then continue to sell. But as long as we keep bouncing and sort of reclaiming this 560 area, I think we have room up to the daily open, especially off of yesterday's big gap up. And then
I
we're holding yesterday's value low.
I just don't like
Just
how
for
we're moving, like how the candlesticks are forming. I also have a 560 level on NQ, but I don't like how we're moving.
I think this area is pretty. If you look at the overnight, we just slowly stair step down, and then now we've bounced at like 580 quite a bit, dip below it, and keep reclaiming like this 580 area, with 560 being like
So what I'm
another
looking
hold
here
spot.
is
We
like,
keep holding around here.
I think the ES and NQ are holding because Apple is holding at the moment.
Oh, that's way over my head. I don't think I could handle looking at stocks too. It'd
I
probably
watched
help
the
though,
top
honestly,
4.
if I did.
I can definitely see what's coming just watching those 4 stocks. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon.
Is my voice too low, Daniel, or anybody else?
No, it's better. It's just
I hear everybody just fine. Daniel said, please speak louder.
Oh yeah, it's big. Yeah, now it's better.
You gotta say it with your chest.
Yeah, I don't know if I could do that.
Say it with your chest. Yeah, it's just choppy.
The only issue now is the opening range. We're kind of struggling to reclaim the opening range. And we also failed to put in new highs off the opening range. So I like the 560 hold, but if buyers can't even reclaim, the opening range low at 596, it's not very, doesn't show me the buyers have any intent at the moment.
Okay, are we gonna bounce again here? 560, 835, or 837 on ES. Oracle is
I
it
kind of
enough?
like the
Oh yeah.
828 to 820 area on ES. I'd like to see that hold personally. I think I see ES it could have a little more room to the downside. And honestly, the market could do a deeper retracement off of this, off of Friday lows. We basically just went vertical off of Friday's lows.
I believe if ES lose 6830, which is 30 minutes BLC, we could easily see it testing 6812. Again, we are just chopping around.
Okay, gold 124 again. I want to see some consolidation holding 124, 120.
Gold did test 50% of its down leg. on the higher time frame.
Yeah. Still looks weak
Right
though.
there.
Yep. Almost at 120.
We have yesterday's previous days 50% at 5:15.
I kind of like a rejection play here. Rejecting 560. Yeah, I'm gonna try it
Yeah,
out.
it is a yeah, that could work. Sort of the back test of yesterday's value low.
Let's see. Or
Oh,
not. So I want to see it under, no, 570.
On GC, we'll be waiting for 4100 through 93 to consolidate for loans.
Okay, stop. I got stop out there. It could go higher and reject 580. Let's see. But it's Apple. Apple is going. And I don't like what ES is doing. Okay, so you fake me out only to reject there.
Today is not a great day.
Oh,
Yes, it's playing good.
if NQ dies here, I'm gonna be so mad.
Need Apple to die.
Yeah. But still, is NQ is very weak. 580 reaction.
Ouch, gold. Jeez.
Yeah. What happened to gold?
Damn, the Dow is pumping.
Yes, looks like it wants to go back to at least 850. Enki is having a lot of trouble breaking, like holding 560, 580.
I'm along at 547.
I like ES for a long, to be honest. But I don't know. Ah, thank you.
And stopped.
Gee. All things are pointing to the downside right now. So
The pre-market low reaction
sorry, ADR.
was the trade. Dang it.
Yeah.
I have a limit buy of 4,100. Come on, gold. Don't stop now.
Yeah, that was a trade. That was beautiful. Oh.
It was previous day 50%, and we also swept a low from yesterday that happened around noon. So I wonder, we'll try long again. We shall see.
I'm mad.
Same. I got chopped up. I'm down 300.
Yeah, I'm down
I
335
was
on
up.
each account.
Yeah, I was up like 500. I don't know why I went in one mini and get chopped up on a long. I thought I would reclaim the overnight low, but it actually rejected and just took me out so hard. But whatever. It's only an eval.
Now, I'm mad because I played Nvidia yesterday and the plan that I had, it played out today. I got stop out yesterday and it was exactly what it's doing today. That was what I was looking for Nvidia to do yesterday. And then today I had a good setup, and I got stop out also, fake out, and it's playing out. Oh.
Yeah, buyers are trying right here, I think. We'll see though.
I'm looking for 479 yesterday's low. New York session on NQ. 474 or 450. That's the level. That's where I'm looking for a little bounce on NQ. But if cannot hold 451, it's gonna go for the gap below. But ES is fighting too much this downtrend, and I think it's Apple.
I went long on gold there, just for a bounce.
Yeah, it looks good for a bounce.
Me too. Let's see, we can reclaim 24 to 20.
I'm out. Nice little bounce. Kept getting bought up. I was like, might as well.
Sorry. I don't want to. I won the 41 sweep, so I can be comfortable adding to the stray. I'm only in 3 micros.
You want what? What sweep of what level?
4100.
Gotcha. Yeah, 4100s. I mean, psych level. Is it gonna get down there? I mean, if it gets past 4100, it's just gonna go to PDL. You know, so
But we have the 20 SMA, have 93, and have
yeah,
quarter stack at the area.
20 SMA is at 87.
I have 93.
Let me see. Using what, Trading View or
TOS.
TOS? Yeah, yeah. They show different levels for dailies.
Man, I missed those longs yesterday. It really got me.
Any lips?
Had to
No,
walk
I
away.
don't. I don't have any lips
Our
right now.
previous
I don't
day
like how the
50,
market is
you'll see
moving,
if
and I do think we need more downside, especially
I'm
with the
looking for
gap that we
580, hopefully, and that'll
created. And when
secure
was
these
it?
XFAs.
Yes. From Friday till Monday.
Down like 1,000, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see if ES is really gonna hold here 840. If can hold a 40, yes, it's gonna go back to a 50.
That was a
Keeps
nasty
rejecting it.
rejection. Book. All right, I'll secure $800 profit there just to recoup some losses and kind of start fresh.
Yeah, I got stopped out on my lucids. Stopped me out. Like it locked me out. Tops up
Is it
750.
Project X Lucid case?
Was that?
You got Project X Lucid?
Yeah.
I saw that they took out everybody's losses yesterday. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that was amazing. That was great of them. Man. They're not gonna do it again though. That was the last time. First and last. I woke up and I was like, oh shit.
Now we have Nvidia bouncing and Apple pulling back.
What a shitty day. Wow. Only 2 stocks moving the market today. This is well,
But to be honest, I don't feel comfortable trading to the upside with the gap that we have below, the gap that it was made from Friday till Monday.
That's how I feel. Like any minute, anything could just drop.
Yep.
On gold, if 15 is reclaim, I will add to the position and I will drop most of my contracts between 20 to 24, leaving a runner.
Yeah, the volume profile is pretty thin down here. The bulk of all the volume obviously is at the open, but it's like the 5-minute opening range down here is just super thin.
what does that tell you though? What is that?
It makes me feel like a reversion could be in play.
Meaning to the upside?
But yeah,
Yeah.
to revisit the activity that was most present. But I don't know. We are in a steady higher highs or lower lows and lower highs all night. So obviously can't fight that, even though I'm trying.
Sasha, I guess this is technically a bounce of the 20 on gold, even though it didn't really hit it, but still the zone.
I know with ADR, if we do get down there, it would be nice to see a New York previous day low sweep, kind of touch into the gap and see if buyers are found there, or if we just go fill the opening gap.
Case, what were you saying?
I guess this would be considered a bounce off the 20 on gold, even though we didn't really hit it, it's just a zone, so
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 2-minute candle to close above the 15 so I can add to the position
yeah.
and drop most of the contracts between 20 to 24 to see if we're gonna go to test BWAP at least.
Right.
Is today a half day?
No.
Oh, okay. Somebody said it's low volatility today since the bond market is closed.
It is.
Yeah.
Banks are closed as well.
Aha.
Yeah. Yep. That's why. Ain't nobody spending money today.
Yeah.
It's all the only retailers are moving this market today.
I'm hoping to
ADR 20.
spend I'm hoping to spend $800 today on new XFAs.
Oh shit,
So we
dude.
can get there.
I had 2 to activate too, amped, but I think I might wait till like closer to Thanksgiving. Because if he does put the no activation fees for all of Top Step, I'm not sure if he'll charge anybody else. You know what I mean?
I saw that,
Wait,
but I
what?
mean,
I'm out of
I'm
the
sure
loop.
he's gonna
Do you
raise the
guys
price.
think
I think he might raise the price, kind of like a Tradeify model,
Yeah.
where it's like
Yeah.
$100 for. So someone buys 5 combines, they're going to spend $100. I mean, per account, so $500.
I mean,
No activation fees.
Top Step is like $200 for an account. That's expensive,
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, I
you
think
know
it's
what
so
kills
worth
me?
it though with no rules. Like I just love the no rules.
Yeah, that's
Oh
the
yeah, that's
key.
why I pay it. I pay that
So I wonder if
premium.
he's
No
gonna implement.
DLL, no consistency.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I wonder if he's gonna implement rules though.
That'd be absolutely shit if he did. I think they can afford not to with how many customers they have.
Yeah.
Hopefully so.
You know what really kills me? They run their mouths so much about criticizing other firms and they doing the same thing.
Yeah, it's the biggest proponent to that is fucking what's his name? Coach the fuck is his name?
The guy that be in the night, right?
Yeah. I do not like that dude.
From where?
Top Step coach fuck.
Oh yeah,
Dakota.
He does the overnight sessions.
Dakota.
Yeah, Dakota, yeah. Just the way he like
Mr. Blow all accounts.
yeah, he just loves to talk about shit about other firms, about other like simfluencers when like, dude, you made your name known from trading Top Step sim accounts and shit like it's like dudes that kind of make it. I wouldn't say he made it big, but like dudes that make it and then completely forget where they come from.
Yeah. Damn, even Dusty's having a shitty day today.
Where'd he post that at?
I'm listening to him on WAP.
Oh.
Look at that PDC rejection on gold.
Yeah, I was watching that. I was looking for maybe a 120, 124 rejection.
Yeah.
I'm having an issue with gold. Gold yesterday, it came like when I trade gold, I have limit positions to cover my position. Like right now, I had a TP at 19.5. It got to it, but it didn't fill it. Same thing yesterday morning. I had an order, but it was not filled.
It caught on to you.
Oh, it just gave me a homework for the weekend. I'm gonna break every single tray and adjust it.
You lost the daily 20. Oh shit.
ES is holding only because of Apple. If Apple loses the VWAP, ES is gonna go lower.
Yeah.
Damn, everything's red on them. At least on my watch list. What's the heat map look like?
I like short ES if it looks big.
Damn, yeah, everything's
Holding.
fucking.
It's holding until Apple gives way. Gives away, and then that's it. Open the floodgates. Looks like thank you.
It's another dude I don't like,
bro.
bro. Sage. Fuck that guy. Fucking schemer.
Who?
Sage. I think I have him blocked, but I'm gonna go to his Twitter and see. Because
Who's
when
that?
I started broadcasting about prop flow, and then he wanted to hop on board and like be a partner, and he didn't even follow me nor ever talk to me, and I was like, no thanks. And then he blocks me, and then he starts posting about a business idea. Let's see if I don't think he's mentioned anything about it ever again.
And I think he got
But he
kicked
mentioned something.
from
Imagine
different props, right? I think a few months ago he got
say what?
kicked. He got kicked out from the affiliates on, I think, My Fund the Futures and Tradeify.
He's the one that introduced this whole scalping rule to futures.
So he posted this shortly after, like, I started broadcasting Proflo in April, and then he tried to hop on board. I don't think he's gone through with it, but I commented on that, and I was like, taking an idea straight from me or something like that. And then he deleted the comment and blocked me.
Wow. Well, did you take a screenshot? Just in case?
Did I? I feel like I posted it somewhere.
Just
I
in
don't.
case it goes through with it, you gotta wait to sue him.
I mean, I'm surprised not more people have kind of
Yeah.
hopped on board with it. It's a really good idea. I mean, if I could probably talk with like a prop firm and get like a deal going,
Yeah.
that would be pretty cool. Have somebody verify all their data, and if they are, you know, profitable, an easier way to get into a live account if that's what somebody wants.
Nice going, Byron.
Let's go, dude.
Oh, there goes ES bouncing again. Today might as well be a fucking half day. Just make it so.
Super clean downtrend structure. It's kind of crazy.
Oh, this is a 30-minute. This was a
Does
30-minute.
Lucid do live accounts?
No.
They
I
do.
think they transfer you to them.
Apparently, they have like the best in the industry over Tradeify, but they only have
Really?
like 4 traders live right now.
I like this hold on ES. If it gets over 35 again. Gotta get over 35. There he goes. Never mind. Yep.
It's obviously like a no-brainer that Apex is leading. So I track like prop firm metrics, and the average spent per user is like $8,700, and the average received is 20.5K.
Damn.
Yeah.
I'll wait it
Apex
off a bit.
top step is like about 1-to-1. Pretty much all of them are about 1-to-1 so far. But Apex definitely leads the pack with the average spent versus average received.
They have good
I
marketing.
read somewhere that the Apex coming with a straight to fund accounts.
They are?
It's like they've been saying that
I
for
saw
so
it on
long.
I saw it on Twitter the other day. Oh,
Gold is holding that. I guess you could consider it 4100 level area. Not a level itself, but the area. It's kind of like in the middle of nowhere, really. So, kind of hard to go long, kind of hard to go short. Be best if it hit like PDL in 4080, where we bounced yesterday, and that would be better.
this low.
Thank you, reclaiming the daily 20. Almost, actually.
Ooh, gold down here at the daily pivot.
Gold is holding nice.
Okay.
Oh, and Q bouncing off the daily extreme too. On a low volume day, I feel like these statistics might be a good edge. I wouldn't see the market going beyond its normal extremes. Good
Me, the
morning.
first area of rejection would be 68, 43, 75 on ES.
Another A40 reaction on ES.
All right, I'm hopping off. Have a good day, guys.
You too? I feel
See you, bro.
like leaving also.
Like,
It's
See ya.
getting boring.
It is.
Yike. Look at that candlestick. Ay. Let's see if ES is gonna finally break A40.
That was like a to the tick bounce on EQ from previous week's equilibrium.
I don't know what's that, to be
But
honest.
buyers just aren't here today.
Yike.
Oh geez, something happened at 540. over 1,000 orders there.
I'm gonna call it, guys.
Yeah, me
See you
too.
guys tomorrow. It's boring.
Mm-hmm.
I still have the gold trade. Stop under 11. CP 2350 and 3230.3 if it happens, but I'm not gonna micromanage it. It's boring.
Yeah, this is getting boring. I'm leaving too. I'll see you guys mañana.
Thanks. Have a good one, guys.
You too. Bye.